A very warm good morning to one and all present over your class. Welcome to the digital platform APS. Now this is Pawan Kumar. Today I will discuss new chapter, linear inequalities. So class, in previous lecture I have completed probability topics. So in today lecture I will discuss some topics related to linear inequalities. So see, first of all I will come to the topic or heading inequation. Heading is inequation. So what is inequation? How we will define inequation? Now inequation, an inequation which contains an equation which contain variables of first degree, variables of first degree variables of first degree variables of first degree, and no term contains the product of variables. The product of variables. So this is the exact definition of inequation, is known as linear inequation. Is known as linear inequations. This is the definition of linear inequations. Now I will come to the new topic, linear inequation in one variable or inequalities. First of all, I will go to the definition, inequation again, or in other words, an equation or inequation is a statement an inequation is a statement that involves the variable or involving the sign of inequality. Involving the sign of inequalities. Sign of inequalities greater than equal to, less than equal to, greater than or less than, or is not equal to, or is not more than, or is not less than, or is not equal to. This is the type of inequalities. See, now I will come to the next definition, linear inequation in one variable. Linear inequation in one variable. See, heading is linear inequation in one variables. My new heading is linear inequation in one variable. So what is linear equation in one variable? An expression is of the form of an expression is of the form of or is of the form ax plus b is greater or equal to 0 or ax plus b is less than equal to 0, ax plus b greater than 0, ax plus b less than 0 for all small a comma b belongs to R is known as linear inequation in one variable. Is known as linear inequation in one variable. Now I will come to the next heading, linear inequation in two variables. New heading is linear inequation in two variables. Heading is linear inequation in two variables. So now an equation is of the form of an expression is of the form ax plus by is less than equal to c, or ax plus by, or we can write this type of inequalities, ax plus by plus c is greater than 0, ax plus by plus c is less than equal to 0, ax plus by is greater than 0, and ax plus b, this is ax plus by plus c is greater than 0, and ax plus by plus c is less than 0. Is known as, or for all small a b c belongs to real number, for all small a comma b comma c belongs to real, is known as linear equation in two variables. Now this definition is completed. Now I will come to the next heading. The next heading is solution of inequations. Solution of inequations. See, solution of inequations. Heading is solution of an equation. So heading is solution of an inequation. This will be solution. So see, the values of unknown variables for which the inequation satisfies means solution of unknown variables or solution of an equation is the value of unknown variables. Value of unknown variables for which the inequation satisfied. So solutions of an inequations or inequation is the values of unknown variables, values of unknown variables for which the inequation for which the inequations satisfied. So this is the solution of n inequations. How to calculate the inequations? Now see, or in other words, in graphical representation, suppose you are going to draw on graph any line you are, or any equations you are going to draw the graph. So on the graph, how you will see the solution? So in other words, we can say solution of an equation. In other words, what we can write? See, the set of points on the set of points on the half plane, the set of points on the half plane representing xy plane by the inequalities is the solution of an equation. This is also the basic definition. So this type of set addition you will see, this is x, this is y. So this type of half plane region, so this type of half plane you can also draw. This type of shaded part you can draw according to questions. So this is the half plane. Now this topic is completed. Now I will come to the next heading, numericals. We have to draw on number line. See, on number line, suppose we have a question. Question is, solve the inequations. Or before solving the question, first of all, I will come to the sum rules represented to the or related to inequalities. So see, now question is, solve the inequations. Solve the inequalities, and inequalities is 1 minus 3x is greater than 10. 1 minus 3x is more than 10. Represent on the solution set number line. Represent the solution set on number line. Now see the solution. The given inequalities, 1 minus 3x is more than 10, and now 1 minus 3x more than 10, we operate minus sign, this is more than 10, so 1 minus 3x minus 1 and 10 minus 1, so minus 1 this cancel out, so 3x is greater than 10 minus 1, this is 9. Now minus x will be equal to 3, divide by 3 on both sides, so x is less than minus 3. Inequality is x is less than minus 3, so x is less than minus 3, or we have to represent on number line. Represent on number line. Suppose this is the number line, this is 0 and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and x is less than minus 3 but not equal to, so here we will use whole. So x is less than minus 3, this will be the reason, and solution set will be from minus infinity to minus 3 in open intervals. Minus infinity to minus 3 in open intervals. Now this is the solution set. Minus infinity to minus 3. Now I will come to the next question. This is the answer of this question. This is the solution set and we have to represent on number line. Now solution set will be minus infinity to minus 3. Now I will come to the next question. The next question is question number 2. Question number 2 is solve the inequalities. Solve the inequalities. See, inequalities is solve the inequalities x plus 8 upon x plus 2 is greater than 1. This is our inequalities. We have to solve. So first of all, given inequality, inequality is given inequality now this one can be written as x plus 8 upon x plus 2 minus 1 is greater than 0 and we have to take LCM. So statement will be x plus 8 minus x plus 2 whole upon x plus 2 is greater than 0. Now after solving, you can get the result x minus x will cancel out. So x plus 8 minus x minus 2 whole upon x plus 2 term will greater than 0. X minus x is cancel out. Those 6 result will be here. So 6 upon x plus 2 is greater than 0. Now this is this expression come after solving. Now what we can say, since you know the inequalities, if a by b is greater than 0, this implies a is greater than 0 or b is also greater than 0. Both will be greater than 0. So this will be with a comma. So a is greater than 0 since 6 is greater than 0. This implies, or we can write 6 upon x plus 2 is greater than 0. This implies 6 is greater than 0 and x plus 2 is greater than 0. This implies x is greater than minus 2. Now x is greater than minus 2 is the solution set. Greater than minus 2 means we can write x belongs to minus 2 to infinity in open interval. And now represent on number line. So when you will represent on number line, suppose this is 0, this is minus 1 and this is minus 2. Greater than minus 2 means this will be with whole and greater than minus 2. This is the solution set. This is x is 1, 2, 3, so on, and x belongs to -2 to infinity in open intervals. Now this is the answer. This is the answer. Now in this question we have to find the solution set. So solution set is x is greater than -2. So -2 to infinity, we can write the solution set. And now when you will represent on number line, so result you will get -2 to infinity, and x belongs to -2 to infinity in open intervals. So now this is completed.